website that you would be working on is kdp.com, and that stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is basically going to be the back office for you and where you're going to be publishing all of your books. So in order to publish, you need a title, you need a series name, which is optional. If it's not in a series, then it's not required. A description, keywords, category, your book manuscript, you have to have a book. A book cover, and then KDP Select, that's Kindle Unlimited, like we were speaking about earlier. That's also an optional program. The thing with that is you have a 90-day exclusivity to Amazon. So I mean, you can't sell the book anywhere else, which is actually advantageous for you, because like I said, they pay you out on those page rates, so you're gonna be making a lot of money with that. And then also pricing your book, and then finally publishing that bad boy.
All right, so this is what the KDP back office looks like. And whenever you're going to publish a book, you're going to go over here where it says Kindle ebook. And then it's going to take you to this page where you're going to put your book title first. And you just put your book title right here. We actually never put anything for the subtitle, it's optional. So we just put the book title. If you have a series, you'll put your series name and then the number. So for example, let's say we have a billionaire romance. We'll put billionaire as the series name, and then 1 as the very first book in the series. And then the next book in the series, we'll put billionaire 2, billionaire 3. And then what Amazon does, they connect it together. They give it like this home page, it looks really cool. You can ignore that. This right here, it's optional, we don't do anything like that. You put your author name here, your pen name. So if you're operating under a pen name, don't put your real name there. This is for authors that you work with, that say Josh and I, we had 2 different pen names, and we want to give credit to both of the authors. You'll add someone there, but it's optional, and you don't have to add them there. You put your book description right here. You'll check I own copyrights, the very first one. You can put your keywords right here. It says 7 keywords, but what you can do, you can like literally fill this up all the way. So you can put billionaire, bad boy, love, sexy. You know what I mean? You can fill the whole box up until you can't do it anymore. And you do that for all of them, because it says 7, but you don't want to just put 7 there. Just fill the box up until you can't fill it up anymore.
Any comments? But if you do that, you separate those by a space or a comma?
Just a space.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is where you'll be able to select your categories. You'll hit this drop down, probably should have taken another picture. So when you hit this, it'll go to a drop down, and it's going to say like fiction and nonfiction, and you just navigate through it and find what 2 categories fit for you. So I would be looking for like contemporary romance, and then I'll do short stories under that to try to get into the short story market for contemporary romance. Now, if you're trying to get into a category that you do not see back here, you can actually send Amazon an email, and I tell them like, hey, I need help getting into this category. Like I tried it already in the back office. I would try to use keywords, and that didn't work. They will get your book and they'll place it in that